MacDonald's still sleeping, so I'm whispering right now. But good morning, happy Tuesday. I'm gonna go downstairs, get some coffee, and get my day started. Okay, so if you guys saw the last vlog, you would know that I've been drinking Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee because they were out of Stokes. And this week I usually get the black, just like regular Stokes cold brew. But this week the last 2 weeks they haven't had it. So I got the not too sweet one, which I don't know how it has in it for sugar. Actually, I didn't check. 12 grams of sugar per serving. That's kind of a lot. Although this says that the whole container has 4 servings and I probably get like a whole week out of it, so like 7. So it's like 6 grams of sugar a day? I don't know, but I'm gonna try it right now. I haven't tried it yet, so here we go. And I've been putting almond milk in my iced coffee lately, but I do drink the Stokes black sometimes too, so I'm gonna try it black first and then I'll add almond milk if I need to. Let's try it. It's not bad. I wonder what it's sweetened with because it almost tastes like maple syrup. Coffee, cane sugar, natural flavor, processed in facility, also processing nuts, tree nuts. Oh, so it's literally just coffee, cane sugar, and natural flavor. It's not too bad. So if you usually get, I mean, it is sweet, I will say. Like, you can tell that it has sweetener in it. I'm gonna try it with a little bit of almond milk, but it's pretty good, especially since I've been drinking Dunkin' iced coffee in like the jug. Do not recommend. It tastes so bad. Yeah, so I'm going to sit on the couch and enjoy my coffee and then have some breakfast and then start my workout. Alright guys, it's time to get our water and get to working out. I'm gonna do a HIIT workout today. I usually just go on Instagram and find a workout that sounds good today, and today it's gonna be a HIIT workout because I feel like I've been just doing like, I have been doing some weights. Like yesterday I did arms with weights, but like I've been doing like body weight stuff. I don't know, I just feel like I need a little cardio, a little movement in the mix. So I'm gonna got my water, and now I just move the coffee table out of the way, and then I grab the remote. Actually, I need the other one because it's on the wrong input. And I put a YouTube video on the TV while I do it because it helps pass the time. It makes it not feel so long and strenuous. Not that it's that long, it's like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put on a YouTube video and get to working out, and then I will check in with you guys after that. I just finished up the HIIT workout. Oh my gosh, it was so hard. It really stunk in the moment, but it's done now. And then I just did like little leg exercises with my resistance bands. I think I only did like 2. but I just wanted to do a little something extra, and then I took some time to stretch. Now I'm gonna go upstairs and shower and then self-tan. Hi guys, I've just been sitting here editing videos, so I'm uploading 2 videos right now, and it's like almost 1 o'clock, I think. Yeah, it's 12:53. So I'm going to go make some lunch. I think I'm gonna have yogurt like I usually do, but I think I'm also gonna make like a fried egg, just because, I don't know, I feel like I need a little more protein and a little more than just the yogurt today. So I'm gonna go make that. I've been uploading videos. That's about it. I washed a load of towels and I self-tanned and showered and didn't really get dressed. Just kind of been chilling. I'm thinking of maybe doing a face mask. I don't really have much else going on. I ordered my dad's birthday present, Julia's birthday present. What else is on my to-do list? What's today? Tuesday. Okay, did that. Yeah, that's all I had to do, really. So maybe I'll edit one last video, which would be yesterday's video, and get that up, so I'm just like a little bit ahead. But other than that, I'll probably just sit here and watch YouTube videos. Hi guys, so it is time for dinner. I'm making 1 sheet pan fajitas, which I've made multiple times. They're so good. So I just got the chicken tenders, and I'm gonna like cut them up into a little bit of smaller pieces. I do an onion, either white or red. I just got white this week. 2 peppers. I actually have part of a green pepper I'm gonna cut up too. A lime, garlic, minced garlic, olive oil, and then the seasonings is paprika, ground cumin, coriander, chili powder, and then salt and pepper. So I'm going to start chopping and put this all together. Alright, so I actually do measure out all of the seasonings according to the recipe that I have on Pinterest. So I need 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of coriander, and salt and freshly ground pepper. So I put them all in there. I'm just gonna mix it up. What I'm going to do is put olive oil on my peppers, onions, and chicken, and then a little bit of minced garlic. The lime comes after, like that's when you're done cooking, and then I will put this on top of all of that, mix it all around, and then put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, so usually I have a much bigger pan because this is a lot going on, but I'm going to put it in the oven. It might just take a little bit longer for this all to cook, but like I said, it's going to go in the oven for 20 minutes. My oven's still preheating because I forgot to start it, so I'm going to clean up a little bit and then I will put these in. Alright, this is the final product. It only took 18 minutes this time. I checked them at 18 and they look done. I'm just going to put some lime. I can't do this with one hand.
They're fire. They're so good.
Okay, I enlisted some help.
Boom, boom, boom.
All done. Have some tongs. And I just put salsa on mine. Dylan put sour cream. Do you want cheese? There's only... Oh, there's some cheese.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.